go. There you go, baby. Quinn and I are out here working on the seasonal. I got him up on the ladder. He's gonna shoot those gutters out. But I'm taking the drone out back to take a look at what we did up top. All right, here we go, unedited. Try to get some video for you guys. Record that. I got it all set up. Not sure how well you can see, but I'm gonna show you on video momentarily. Look at that. All the way over to this drain. Look at that. Beautiful, okay? Beautiful. There it is. Oh yeah, by the way, good morning. Joe Deary, Powerful Improvements, Putnam, Connecticut. I'm out here in beautiful Eastford today, working on a seasonal agreement with Quinn. We do gutters here. We washed this house last year. We did gutters twice last year. So their agreement is house wash, gutter cleaning in the spring, and then gutter cleaning again in the fall for one set price. We set it pretty good. It worked out pretty good for us. This is the first time I've done my repeat here, okay? So the gutters were much more clogged than I had expected. We did have to do some more work here than I might have anticipated, but that's what you get. And that back video was epic. Unbelievable. No way. No way, a tortoise. Turtle. It's a turtle. Nice. We're out here at Kennerson Reservoir in Eastford. Beautiful little place to be. This guy going for a stroll. All right, Quinn and I are set up and running on the next project. He's doing the pool fence that goes all the way around the back. I'm doing gutter cleaning. This is a seasonal that we're trying to land. We house washed this earlier this year and did a section of the fence over there for her, and she liked it so much she has us back to do the rest. So we're gonna do a quick gutter inspection. I got the drone ready to go. So take a look. pretty good area of fencing back there. Quinn's taken care of. As you saw in the drone footage, there was practically not a speck of anything, especially the high gutters, perfectly clean. So I did a little bit of debris removal on a couple of the lower gutters with a 16 manually, just for something to do really. And then I reduced my fee dramatically here today because the gutter cleaning amounted to almost nothing. And it's a good measure, you know, it's a good thing to do for the client. So we're coming back next year, washing, doing the fence again. Probably not gutter cleaning. Our seasonal agreement is probably going to be just washing. Okay, it doesn't have to be necessarily a multitude of things. Maybe we'll get to do the concrete pool patio. I don't know. We'll figure something else out maybe next year. All right, next project. We got a vinyl sided Cape Colonial, whatever you might want to call it. Big vinyl box is what we got here. Very dirty in the back. Quinn's on mix mode with the 1.8 on 200 feet of hose. We're going to refresh this deck in the back. They're going to paint it. We're going to get it ready to be painted. And we've got several years of mildew that has grown on the siding. Going to come off real nice. Again, 1.8. We'll get a couple before and afters. All right, that's what our deck looks like now. She's clean. We did not remove all the paint. Let the client know what you're gonna do. We're removing organics. I'm not here to shred it. They'll need to sand it before they paint it. But she's clean and ready to go. And here's where it was so dirty. We'll get a quick after picture here. Four G's, baby. Quinn and I are wrapping up our last project. Didn't get much of a video on the one prior to this. We wound up upselling all sorts of stuff though. I also do some tree cutting. I've been doing that for several years. I have all sorts of chainsaws, pole saw, stuff like that. I don't really usually cut any trees down, but I'll do some trimming. So the guy enlisted me to do a bunch of trimming, and we wound up coming up with like $1,250 worth of tree trimming for me to do. So we'll take that. And then also he's having us paint his back deck. Not something I usually want to do, but I'm trying to pass some of that work off to Quinn. On this particular job, we're done. We just washed all of this. I upsold that barn roof. So as soon as we're done washing, I'm going to pull the truck ahead a little bit and pull the X6 right through here, shoot this from the ground, and we'll be out for the day. All right, this is where this setup really shines. I got the X6 pulled off the reel. You can see the truck up there. Flaked myself out a loop here to the red gun, and I can shoot this to the peak from the ground with no problem. I just turned the machine on and I hit soap, so I know I've got about 20 or 30 seconds of water. So I'm going to use my water right here and spray my siding a little bit in case I get any overspray. And then I'm going to jump right into soaping the roof. Then I'm going to click back to rinse and rinse down all my siding and be out. We're shooting 6% up on here momentarily. All right, here we go, hot sauce. Lay it right in that bed of moss right there. And that's all gonna turn to cotton in about 5 minutes flat. All right, now I've clicked the soap off, so I know I have about 30 seconds of sauce left. So I'm gonna give a beam right across my peak here and let it run down. Wind is picking up. We got some rain rolling in. We've been dodging rain all week. Thankfully, it keeps missing me by just a little bit. There you go. Catch you guys tomorrow.